Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for tuning in today's video. I'm going to show you how I make this beautiful and delicious EMIEKI, what we know as plantain moi moi. If you like what you see, kindly hit the subscription button and the notification bell for more video. Thank you. Here we are, beautiful lovers of good things. Here is my ripe plantain. You can decide to add unripe plantain if you like it that way. Here I have my cooked beans without any ingredients, well cooked. I decided to add it to make it special for me. And here is my minced pepper. I have some onions, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and tomato. Here I have crayfish. I have my mangi cube. I have red palm oil, which is Nigeria oil. I have salt for taste. I have my bowl. I'll go ahead to peel the plantain, then I will blend it. This is so easy and with few ingredients, a very few ingredients, and this is so special. If you live with your grandmom, this is one of their best food. Anytime they go to market, if they did not buy this, in my place we do call it EMIEKI. So if they go to market, they did not buy this, that means they did not go to market at all. So if you want to please your grandmom, if you still have one, please make this plantain moi moi or EMIEKI as we know it from where I came from. Yeah, I'm going to blend it to a beautiful creamy butter. Then we are ready to cook our EMIEKI. Here is my watering minced pepper. I don't want to use any water to blend. I will use this minced pepper to blend all my plantain. Yeah, you can see how beautiful and creamy this is looking. And I will add the other batch. That was the first batch. Then I add the remaining minced pepper to blend. This is all. Then I will go ahead and add the rest ingredients. I will rinse out the blender just with a little water and I mix it. I continue to add the beans first. My salt, the crayfish, and the mangi cube. I will mix everything together to a beautiful creamy butter, as I said earlier. So as we continue to mix, I will say a very big thank you to my old and new subscribers. Thank you all for the great support. Here I add the red palm oil. I'm going to mix everything together. Yeah, and for my old subscriber, thank you all so much for the great support. I really appreciate you that always come back to watch my video, you that share my video. May God bless you. I do really appreciate it. And for the new, thank you. If you enjoy my video and you decided to subscribe, thank you so much. May God bless you for subscribing. I promise you will never regret joining this wonderful and lovers of good things family. And please do well to help us by growing this channel. Share our video, invite a friend to invite a friend, share it to your friends and family. We will so much appreciate it and God will bless you as you do. Here I have my leaf already. I will use my leaf to tie this EMIEKI, although this leaf is no longer too fresh, but I'm going to manage it because I love this leaf with all these things like agidi, moi moi. They are so good and delicious with all these things, so I decided to use this leaf once again after using it for my agidi. If you have not watched that, please go and check that video out. You will love it and you would like to eat agidi while living in abroad obodo ibo. Here I told you guys I don't know how to tie this sleeve much, but I tried. If you want to see how I tie this sleeve, go and check out my agidi. It was very visible, but here I don't know, the camera was not too catching with my hand, so I just tie it. And if you want to learn how to tie the sleeve, check out my agidi video. You will know it better on that video. So this is other way of tying a moi moi or agidi. So I just wrap it first, then I pour it inside. I use the second one to cover, then I just tie it. This was fun. I love it. Oh my goodness. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you do. Oh god. So if you have not tried plantain moi moi, go and try it. It's very delicious, and kids love it as well. Kids love it because it's so yummy. You can decide to use overripe plantain as well, but I don't like overripe plantain. It may run my stomach or purge me, so I decided to use the one that is ripe but not too ripe. You can see this is how I tied it. If you are the one learning how to tie this sleeve, I hope you get it here. Not that I am too perfect to tie this, but I know if you learn, you will do it better as well. I decided to tie the rest with white liner. So these are my emieki. Then I decided to add a lot of leaf under the pots before adding my emieki, so that it will not stay, and also to prevent water not to come into the moi moi while cooking or while boiling. So I cover my moi moi with the leaf as well, so that it will cook fast. This have been cooking for 30 to 35 minutes and it is ready. This is the last leaf. After using some of it to tie my agidi, I decided to use the remaining one for this emieki. Oh my goodness, I enjoy this leaf because where I live is not easy for us to find this leaf, so I decided to use it as much as I want. So guys, if you have still thinking to try out this recipe, go ahead and try it. You will like it, you will love it, you will enjoy it. So guys, please, if you enjoy watching this video, if you like what you see, kindly hit the subscription button and the notification bell for more recipe, for more wonderful video. Like, share and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Guys, this plantain moi moi really came out perfect, absolutely delicious and yummy. I love it and I enjoy this recipe. Thank you all so much, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye.